Nicks Nightclub Thursday night West Coast swing class dance. Nicks Nightclub. Got Miss Ashley help me record as always. Thank you, my dear, for doing so. What was taught for the class? It's a move called Ballerina. And why? It's because you make your follower look like she's a ballerina. Okay? It takes good connection, it takes good posture, it takes a lot of good things. I'm going to show it to you first and then show you how we did it. So sugar push, we did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. We went 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and land, rock to a tuck. And she goes out. Okay, she does that on the other side of the track. She doesn't have to. We'll explain that in a minute. But how you get into this, leaders, is your basic whip to 4. Okay, so you bring her in 1, 2. She does a coaster, then you get on the track just like you would normally do. But at the end of the 4th count, there is something that the men leaders, you do have to do to start this move. So you're actually starting on the 4th count. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and she's coming forward on her right foot and landing on 4. I'm going to take my right hand and start lifting up underneath her left arm, her left shoulder. And I also use my left hand to raise her, so as she's coming forward on her right foot, she's actually going up onto her toes. Okay, so you can't do it on 5, because 5 is when you start the motion. So you're going to have to go 1, 2, 3, and lift. I'm still on my left foot on 4. She's coming forward on her right, but we lift just enough, like ½ inch, just enough to where she appears to be on her toes. Okay, so now with my right foot, I'm going to start this clockwise motion. So I'm going to do them in even counts. You can do as many as you wish, just you'll both get dizzy. So we're going to go to 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and lift. Then I'm going to start for 5, and 6, and 7, and when I'm done with and I just collapse 8, she's going to come down on her left foot. Just collapse your frame. She'll land into that left foot, and that ends the circular motion. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and lift. Start holding her, good frame. Here, I'll keep your arms open and walk around. 5, and 6, and 7, and when I collapse on land, then you do a tuck, and you do a rock, and get her out, okay? It just requires a good posture, and a good follow does very well. So a sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is ballerina. 1, 2, 3, and lift. 5, and 6, and 7, and land, rock, the tuck, and get out. And once you're good at it, once you have a good follow, you can do this 3 and 4. You can do this with just one hand. Just depends on how good she is. She is. Thank you. Ballerina. Thank you so much for coming. For those of you that did, and for those of you that watch, wherever you do all over the world, we appreciate it as well. We'll see you next week. Keep dancing.